Uh, hola, 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 hola.
Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here and you're just seeing this hot chocolate for the first time, hey, this is Tinola, and on this channel I share valuable content. I'm all about making you look your best, feel your best, and live your best life. So please consider joining this thriving family, as it's for free. Please consider joining by clicking on that subscribe button down below. So for today's video, I'll be taking you through different recipes I cook for my lovely Nigerian West African man in a week. Yes, all these recipes were made by yours truly. And I have a special announcement at the end of this video, so please make sure you watch till the end. Today is Monday and I'm starting off the week very easy. Starting off with this easy, simple, and very tasty recipe. So I'm making this wrap from leftover chicken breast from the fridge and some vegetables. If you have already diced vegetables in salad, it could literally take you 10 minutes. But if you don't and you have to do everything from scratch, it could take up to 25 minutes. But still, it's super easy, and this is a great way to start off the week. Easy peasy. I'll let the wraps stay in the air fryer for 2 minutes on both sides. And this is it, guys. Food is ready. Very tasty. Look at that. Take a look. Yummy. And it's Tuesday, my loves, and I'm really excited about today because I'm beginning to gain more energy and momentum for the rest of the week. So I wanted to cook all from scratch. I want to cook something more filling for my hubby, and this recipe is inspired by the Nigerian fried rice recipe. I'm just gonna tweak a little bit of, just a little ingredients, and you're gonna love this one. Anyway, how are you guys doing? How is your week going? Let me know down in the comment box below. This entire recipe will take about 40 to 45 minutes, and once again I'm doing everything from scratch. You do need a handful of vegetables because the more the vegetables, the richer this recipe. And as you know, we are going with healthy, awesome filling recipe here. So I like to swap turmeric instead of using curry for my fried rice. I just use turmeric and I'm used to that taste. So yeah, let me know what you guys think below. Now, this oil right here, the fat from the chicken, is everything. It takes this recipe to the next level. And of course, you want to balance the taste with some salad, just a very simple sweet salad. I love the poppy seed dressing because it just gives it that sweet taste and balances out the taste from the sauerkraut and the dill. And that is it for today's recipe, guys. Of course, you want to add some plantain, because what is life without plantain? Absolutely nothing. Hello, my loves, and today we are making one of my favorite food ever, and that is beans. Guys, I am a bean lover, yes, and I've made my husband like beans as well. So for this beans recipe, you want to steal this recipe, okay? Because this is one of my favorites. First thing you want to do is to make sure your beans was soaked overnight, because you don't want all that flatulence going on, and it just reduces your cooking time. So make sure you soak your beans overnight. It's a game changer. And of course, you want to balance out the taste of the beans with some sweetness. So I'm using some sweet corn and plantain and sweet potato. Gosh, this recipe, guys. To top it, you can add some basil powder. Oh my god, basil powder and beans. And that is it, guys. So yummy. Alright, my loves, I'm gonna ask you to do one thing for me, and that is give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far. Please give it a thumbs up and comment below if you want more videos like this. For today, Thursday, I'm gonna make something very awesome and different. This is a noodle recipe, and my husband loves eating noodles, but I'm gonna make it a little bit different because I want him to eat it in a more nutritious way.
I ain't never been one and I follow the signs. You're looking like a one-way, gotta make the right choice. Hope I make the right noise, hoping that you like boys like me. I know you're feeling me from across the room. I got a feeling you could be my muse. I hear strange when I see you. You say green, but I see blue. Either way, your eyes the ones I'm looking to. When I'm hell first, falling from heaven, baby. Living on the prayer that you catch and save me. I was unaware of our elevation till I looked down. All the people look like it's not high.
I know people like their noodles differently. Some like it very watery and some like it dry. I like both, but let me know which one you prefer. And I'm using the onion chicken Indomie noodles. Oh gosh, I know if you're Nigerian and you're watching this, I know what you're thinking, but trust me, that's why I'm doing this, okay? I'm just trying to make it as healthy as possible. And I think this particular flavor is safe to eat. I don't know. Correct me down below in the comment box what you think. Onion chicken Indomie is my husband's favorite noodles. And I'm currently looking for other alternatives. So hint me down below, please. Look at that. I like him to have an appetizer, just something sweet and still healthy. Some fruits in the fridge with homemade kefir. And I love the taste of kefir. I don't need to add honey or anything, but if you guys don't like that taste, you can definitely add some honey. And for me, I'm having beans, yes, from yesterday, yeah, because once again, I'm a bean lover and I can eat beans all day long. It's Friday, friends, and I'm going with one of my husband's favorite recipe, and that is egg sauce and potato, or you can swap it for yams. A game changer is using a fried onion, like the fried onions that come from the store. Just try that. Like, it really takes the flavor to the next level instead of using fresh onion. And for the announcement, guys, your girl, okay, our community now has an online web page. Okay. Let me get a drum roll for that. So we now have an official website. This is ThisisTinuola brand, and I'm really excited about this because I just want that homepage where I'm able to share more resources with you guys, build my community, building my newsletter. So please check out the website by clicking on the link down in the description box below. And of course, this tastes heavenly. It's Saturday, friends. It's the weekend, and I'm gonna be making a lazy recipe. Now, my African man is craving some real African food, fufu soup, and I've got him. But what I'm gonna be doing is called ogbono in a different way. Instead of having to boil meat, fish, everything from scratch, I'm gonna be going with a faster method, and that is using shrimps, mushroom, prawns, and dry fish, which is also called panla. I'm combining all that together as the meat. And it really tastes good. You just want to make sure you season it well, and of course add some vegetables. So you can add dried vegetable leaf like I'm doing right now, or kale, spinach, whatever it is. Just mix it all together and enjoy that draw soup. This is more of a comfort meal because it reminds us so much of home. And of course, the star of the show, fufu. I'm using Gary to make eba. And this is how I make eba. So our soup is ready, and I cannot explain how this tastes. It's so savory, and oh my gosh, you definitely want to try out this recipe, okay? Try it out and thank me later. And for Sunday, we are having leftovers from the rest of the week. And that is it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one, but until then, keep shining. Bye.